You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to another episode where we make your international moving experience seamless and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the exciting journey of moving from the US to Greece, exploring the beautiful landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture that awaits you. Moving to Greece from LA or San Francisco marks a significant chapter in your life. Whether you're drawn to the iconic landmarks of Athens or the beautiful islands of Greece, this country offers a unique blend of history and natural beauty. At SDC International Shipping, we understand the importance of this journey, and we are dedicated to ensuring your move is smooth and efficient. Here is our shipping process. So, how does SDC International Shipping assist you in this adventure? Our expertise lies in providing personalized support and navigating the logistics of international moves. Here's a breakdown of how we handle shipping your personal effects all the way to Greece. First, we calculate the volume of goods. We begin by assessing the volume of your belongings to determine the packing requirements and container size that best fits your needs. This detailed evaluation ensures an accurate and seamless shipping experience. Second, getting a quote. Our tailored quotes reflect the uniqueness of each move, considering factors like the quantity of goods and transportation preferences. Whether you're moving from Los Angeles or New York, we provide competitive pricing with no hidden costs. Door-to-door delivery. Enjoy the convenience of our comprehensive door-to-door delivery service. From packing and loading at your doorstep here in America, all the way to the safe transport to Greece, we handle every step with care and precision. When it comes to shipping your belongings, you have options tailored to your needs. First, a shared container service. This is cost-effective and ideal for smaller shipments. Second, a private container service. You could rent a 20 to 40-foot container for larger volumes, ensuring direct and efficient delivery. And third, air freight. For swift transportation, air freight will deliver your items within a week, though at a higher cost. What about navigating custom clearance? Our experienced team manages the export and import custom clearance process, ensuring compliance with regulations and transparency in costs. From preparing essential documentation to facilitating smooth transit, we handle it all and make your move hassle-free. We have an understanding of the key ports, such as Athens, and this is crucial for effective logistics. The ports in Greece serve as a vital gateway for importing your goods into Greece, ensuring timely delivery to your new home. Are you bringing your pets or motorcycle to Greece? We can help you navigate specific requirements and help ensure all documentation and preparations meet regulations for a smooth relocation process. Embarking on a move to Greece? Contact SDC International Shipping today for a free quote and personalized assistance. Our dedicated team is ready to make your transition to Greece as smooth and stress-free as possible. Thank you for joining us on this episode. Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or a new adventure, you can trust SDC International Shipping to deliver peace of mind and exceptional service every step of the way. Contact us today to start planning your international move with confidence.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.